Hey loves, I'm gonna be completely honest. Ever since I launched my Decoupage Papers, I have been feeling a little bit disconnected from my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna tell you why. This project had so much potential. I thought my Decoupage Paper Flamenco was the perfect size and design to create a one-of-a-kind puzzle that you could gift your mom, your grandma, your daughter, granddaughter, anybody. So lately I've been feeling like I'm just creating content just for the sake of showcasing my papers, which I understand is the whole damn point of creating a product that you really like, that you're really proud of, and you want to share with people and fingers crossed get some sales, right? Well, it's actually been feeling kind of like inauthentic, which is probably why this project failed. So coming up with content exclusively just to show my papers just doesn't feel organic. I'm more like intuitive, and whatever sparks my creativity, I see something, I'm like, how the hell can I make that? Or, ooh, I wonder if I could do it with this, blah, 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 like whatever. That's how I roll in absolutely everything. Call it ADHD, call it being an artist, I don't know, but that's how I am. This is where I knew I messed up and that this is probably not going to work. And it was so freaking frustrating. So when I sit down to think, how can I possibly use this paper to make a YouTube video and, show it to people, whatever, the spark kind of goes away. And I'm hating it. Because I really like my papers. I love the designs of them. I love everything I did. I want to use them when I want to use them. But business-wise, it just makes no damn sense, because obviously I should be showing it more, like every single day. Like I should just vomit that out, like make you so sick of it that you're just like, whatever, like I don't know, but it's just not my style. This is where I thought, yeah, this was not gonna turn out at all. Then I said, just trust the process, Francesca. It'll be okay. But it wasn't, guys. It wasn't. This is something else that's kind of stupid. Promoting myself gives me the ick. Why do you have a YouTube channel then, Francesca? You know what? I don't know. I don't know. However, I guess what I want to say is that I will continue to create content that feels intuitive to me. And if in that video I use my paper, then great. And if I don't, that's okay too. At this point, I thought, well, I should have taken it apart first, put it back together, and then do this process. But yeah, it wasn't gonna work regardless. And because I want to treat this channel as if I had my own shop, then this would be part of our chit chats and our possibly even like some spirited chats, once in a while type of deal over coffee or tea or whatever your jam is. So I thought that if I wet it, it would be easier, faster. Then I just started like kind of ripping it apart, kind of. Anyways, here's just to show that, again, sometimes you just have to try something you've never done before just to check it out. So if you're a creative, if you are an artist, if you are wanting to be an artist or whatever it is, if you want to have your own business one day and this is how you flow and this is how you create, pure out of intuitive guidance or divine being or whatever it is that you believe in or don't believe in, or just because you're curious and you just want to figure that out, like, ooh, because that's my thing. How did they do this, right? So like, we're not really copying other people, or maybe we are sometimes, but it's more out of curiosity as to like how it was done. You'd think I would have given up by now, but no, I have to see this through all the way. That's just one of my things. So all this to say, if this is your type of artistry where you're allowing your creativity to flow and be led by creativity, I think that is a beautiful thing. Here's the thing, you never know where your creativity is going to take you, how many fails, such as this project, you have to go through in order to create that masterpiece that you're just absolutely in love with. So to wrap this up, if you allow yourself to be led, you will be surprised as to where this creativity is going to take you, who you'll meet, and what you will create next. As you can see, this spatula has been my best friend lately, and who the hell would have thought? But guys, I think I just created my own masterpiece with these spatulas, and I am obsessed so much that here she is. This is how it starts, and I'm going to show you what I did. So anyways, do what feels right for you, what feels organic to you and your body. Listen to your body, okay? I understand there's a lot of trends, there's a lot of things going on. Just do for you, and everything else will fall into place. It might take us a little bit, and that's okay. And it's gonna get frustrating, but that's okay. That's for a whole different chat. So if you are interested in spirited chats where it's just like you and me talking, well, me talking to you and then you comment back, like you talk to me back in the comments, let me know, because it's seriously something that I really want to do, because the way I envision my shop is way more than just workshops, like creative workshops. It's this connection, which is what I miss so much from the shop, from Pick and Boots. So anyways, I guess look forward to that, whether you're interested or not. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned what not to do with my Decoupage paper. And just FYI, I don't have a huge capital, so whatever is in stock right now in my Etsy shop, it's what I have available here. And if it's sold out, I have put it so that, let's say a paper sold out, I can order 3 more, 6 more, whatever, depending how I see like how it's moving. And so what I do in my Etsy shop is that the shipping time, I extend it, because then once it sells out, I'm like, okay, well now I have to order. And typically it ships out to me in a week, but sometimes it takes a little bit longer. So I have it set to where you can pre-order the paper. And that just means that I have ordered it, they're making it, they're gonna ship it to me. And so my shipping time is from 1 to 4 weeks, just to be sure that I'm in that time frame so that it gets to you, because then I'll get penalized on Etsy, and that's not what I want. So just know that if my papers sell out, you will still be able to order it. It's just more of a pre-order, and the shipping time is between 1 to 4 weeks. And trust me, it'll get to you, okay? And fingers crossed, one day I'll have enough inventory where I don't have to do that. We're not there yet, but maybe we can be. Anyways, I love you guys, and let me know what you thought of this fail and what you thought about this. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So here's what I created. Let's see, I don't know. With the spatula, look how cool. So that's the second one, and then look at this one. I am obsessed. And then I did the gold leaf. How beautiful. You never know. You just never know what you're gonna create. So take that as a sign.